Hi guys, for today's video, I am going to show you on how are you going to earn money on TikTok without showing your face. So this website that I will show you will tell us the top 10 TikTok accounts without showing your face with examples. Okay, so here, let's start from the first one. So, for example, if you will be creating a content and then you don't want to show your face, you can use some mask or you can just literally don't show your face. So you need to have like contents or categories that will be very in or let's say a trend to other people. For example, about sports. We all know that people or a lot of people use TikTok to see certain clips of a sport like that, highlight sport scenes. Okay, so if you want to make a TikTok video to earn money, this is one of the effective ideas, using sport as a content. The next one, category, let's say content that you can use that is a very entertaining to a lot of people, and aside from that, you will not show your face also, it's the travel. Okay, so I see a lot of videos on TikTok that they post videos that they are traveling or they are showing a certain place, let's say for example how to get to that place, what are the scenes or let's say views that you will see in that place when you do travel content or travel category. So you will also earn with this kind of content. The next thing that we can do to earn money without showing your face is the life hacks. So if you're familiar with other TikTok videos, a lot of video shows like how they do their life hacks or let's say like tips or techniques on how to make your life easier, let's say make your work faster, and then it consumes or it saves you a lot of time, okay? Rather than those usual things that we do. Let's say for example, it says here like doing the math tips, okay? There are a lot of TikTok videos that I see that gives you a shortcut on how to solve a certain problem that usually has a long method in your school. Now, the next thing is unboxing and product review. Actually, guys, this is one of my most favorite videos on TikTok that I usually watch, especially when it's about gadgets like that. So they do the unboxing and then they tell a lot of the product review. So here for the unboxing, it's okay that you will not show your face. How to do it? You just put the camera like lower about, let's say lower than your chest or your neck, okay? And then they will just see your hands opening the box, opening the item, and then while you are doing that, you are talking. You are explaining each detail of the item that you are trying to show them. So that's very a trend, or let's say into the viewers. Another is make videos with pictures. A lot of TikTok videos now use a lot of pictures, like they use other applications to make some videos with multiple pictures that are moving in this TikTok video. So I think this is also entertaining, and also you will earn a lot of money. Now, just like what I'm trying to say earlier, even if you want to make TikTok videos but you don't want to show your face, you can use a mask. I see some videos on TikTok who has a lot of followers, who earns a lot of money, who doesn't show their mask, so who doesn't show their face rather. So they use a mask, most of them using white mask. Okay, so they try to show some scenes or they tell some explanations like that, but they cover their face using a mask. Okay, and another thing here, we have developed curated content. So you should always, know the genre of the topic that you want to show. So here we have a lot of topics or contents that we really see on TikTok. So you really need to know what kind of content will be a trend or a lot of followers will really appreciate, okay? Some here also use voiceover or use a lot of background music to a certain clips. Okay, the next thing that I have here is gaming. So gaming is so in demand now in this generation. So from teenagers, like yeah, for kids, teenagers, and even adults, they really like gaming. So there's a lot of TikTok videos that shows some clips or scenes of the game, like how to play the game. Okay, let's say for the skills, how you will earn this, how you will buy the item. So it's really convincing like that, and also it's really entertaining. And aside from that, a lot of people engage to it. Another thing here is the arts and crafts. So I see a lot of videos, doing art craft, like sketching. They do it like a slow-mo to fast forward video, so it's really nice. Also, they do some arts like making the use of paper from, recycled paper into an art. So there's a lot of things that you can do on TikTok videos that you will not show your face, but it will be entertaining. Okay, and here we have the comedy. So for the comedy here, it's not like you will just show your face. Okay, so you will just have like funny pickup lines like that, maybe a text for a video on TikTok, like a joke like that can be very entertaining. Okay, now I've mentioned all those 10 contents or categories, or let's say ideas that you can use and you can do to make TikTok videos without showing your face. Let me tell you two things that are very important when you are making videos or you want to make videos without showing your face. The first thing that you really need to consider is the time for posting your content. Why? Because there's like what we call peak hours. Okay, it's not like that if you upload a video you can just upload it anytime. Yes, it is, but there is like a certain time wherein a lot of viewers can see the post, a lot of viewers will see it from the top. So that's probably from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. So for example, if you're trying to say like, oh, I don't want to post a video because I have a lot of things to do, blah blah blah. No, there's no reason for it, or there's no excuse for it. You can upload your video from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. anytime from that. Okay, so a large amount of people can really watch the video. The last thing that you need to consider is the using of hashtag. Okay, if you see videos on TikTok, there's always a hashtag. For example, like hashtag Jesse, hashtag dance, hashtag Zoom. So if you are creating a video on TikTok, even if you're not showing your face, you should really be accurate or specific with the hashtag that you are using. For example, you are showing sports. You can say hashtag baseball, hashtag soccer, like that. Or let's say, for example, you are trying to show gaming. Okay, you can say hashtag League of Legends, like that, and a lot more, so that it will really show in the criteria or category that the viewers really want to look for. Okay, so there guys, that's the tips that I can give on how to earn money using TikTok by not showing your face. Okay, you can just click on this website that I am using, which is in my phone. Okay, and then look for top 10 TikTok accounts idea without showing your face, with examples, so you can try to review those things that I explained. Okay, so thank you guys, and see you on the next video. Bye.